Have you ever opened a database and wondered how values in some columns are calculated and why? The lack of business perspective in database development can often lead to confusion. Our model-driven data warehouse development solution just got expanded with a new calculated attributes feature. This allows you to connect attributes of your business data model in ways that represent how your business works. You can define their relationships as an equation and accurately establish their dependencies on one another. This is also useful in database development. By defining calculations in your business data model, calculated attributes provide clear traceability for future calculations implemented in physical databases. This way, users will always know how and why a data field is calculated the way it is. Always know the origin of every calculation. Find calculated attributes now in Accurity. Check our website at accurity.ai to learn more about the benefits that our new features can bring to you.